Hello hobbyholics, welcome to my channel. Today it's a rainy afternoon and there's nothing much to do outside because the rain is so heavy. So instead of doing nothing, I decided to varnish my miniature bridge that we made the other day. So I'll put 3 layers of varnish to protect it from the harsh weather, and when the weather start to get better, we can install it. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe on my channel for more updates on our little garden railway project. And I hope that you are excited to see the result as much as I am so excited to show all of you the development of our miniature garden railway projects. Sorry about the noise in the background. It's so noisy because the rain is so heavy and I'm outside here in the garage. So stay tuned guys, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye bye.